Let me show this video to you, and I would love to seek your perspective on this, whether you believe in A or B. Let me slightly zoom out so you can focus on this gentleman who is cleaning this windows from outside. You can see the rope here. Can you see the rope? This particular rope. And then since morning I'm observing the gentleman is slightly going down, and then he has reached here cleaning the windows. Now you might have seen this kind of videos and lots of comments. So one perspective we have, that we should be thankful. Yeah? We are not starting a day like this. This is so risky, and we should be saying thanks to God or whoever the creator you believe in, that see, our life is not like this. Correct? One is that. Another is, that is B, is we are not risking our life like this. We should be thankful. That's A. Or B, no, Praveen, I have a different perspective on this. This particular gentleman, he must have learned the skill of using ropes. Maybe, I don't know whether this is called rappelling or hanging. Rappelling is, yeah, of course this is rappelling. So he has learned rappelling. He has learned how to use knots, because I know the anchor which he has put here, there are certain knots and there are names to all those knots. So he must have learned those knots. He has developed the skill of using those knots. So he's very clear, doesn't matter what happens. The beauty of this knot is, if there is a stress on the rope, this knot gets stronger and stronger. So these are specific knots which we use in mountaineering whenever we rappel or even zoomer. So he has learned that. He has learned, or maybe conditioned his eyes to manage heights also. He must have got scared on day one, but since many days he must be doing this. I'm assuming this, but the way he is so comfortable, I think he must be doing this since many days. So he has learned the skill of using ropes, learned the skill of rappelling, and he's executing that skill without any fear. That is B. So I don't see any perspective of the job is risky, or this, we should be thankful to God that we are not starting a work like this. This job is risky only if you are doing it without learning that skill. For example, public speaking is risky only when you are doing it without learning that skill. Making videos is risky only when you are learning that without that skill. He is risking his life if he is doing this without learning the skill, but he has learned that skill. He must be using 2 ropes, and these ropes are specifically made for this. These are classical example of engineering, where you test the weight of these ropes, how much weight this rope can hold. All these kind of ropes, they have to go through a intense testing process. So his education about these ropes, that these ropes are trustworthy, that's a skill. Otherwise, when I was just showing this to my mama, and mama said that what if this rope breaks in from the middle? But his belief is based upon the education of this rope. What fiber, how much weight this rope, that's all part of development of skill. So he's a skillful guy, using his skill and earning his bread and butter, and he's executing that skill fearlessly. So that's B. So what's your perspective? A, we should be thankful to God. We are not starting our day like this. See, this gentleman is risking his life. A, that is your perspective. Or B, no, Praveen, I think this gentleman has learned that skill. Similarly, the skills which are required for us to learn at workplace, we will learn that skill. The way he's executing that skill for his bread and butter, I will execute that skill for my bread and butter, to live my life. B, which one? Share your perspective. This is Prem Raghu signing out. Until we meet again.